Have you solved which I had given problem in the last class?
Yes, sir.
Got answer, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Shall we move to next problem?
Sir, last question answer y of t equals to 2t plus 6. Is it correct, sir?
Y of t is equal to
2 into t plus 3.
no 4 into 2 plus 3 you will get. Why? Because both the amplitudes are 2 2, no?
Yes, sir.
The problem is 2u of t plus 2, 2u of t plus 1.
Yes, sir.
The last case 3 will be vary from minus 2 to 1 plus t.
Yes, sir.
Amplitude will be 2 and 2. 2 to the 4 into tau. Integration of 4 into d tau, you will get 4 tau. Limits from minus 2 to 1 plus t. Upper limit 1 plus t minus of minus 2. That will be get plus 2. So that 1 plus t plus 2 you will get. So that t plus 3 you will get. 4 into 3 plus t plus 3 you will get. From minus 3 to infinity.
Yes, sir.
Then your signal y of t will be vary from minus 3 to infinity. From at minus 3 you will get 0, at minus 2 you will get 4, at minus 1 8, 0, 12, 16, like that it will be keep on vary up to infinity. Is there any doubt in that?
No, sir.
Okay, take next problem. Next problem. X of t is equal to u of t plus 1 and h of t is equal to u of t plus 2. Find y of t is equal to x of t convolved with h of t. Okay, those who are absent for last class, please go through once. I will solve this problem. Solution: y of t is equal to integral from tau is equal to minus infinity to infinity, and x of tau into h of t minus tau is my into d tau is my standard equation for the convolution integral. They had given x of t and h of t. So that first sketch the signal for x of t. This is your x of t, that is equal to u of t plus 1. Means the signal is starts at minus 1, ends at infinity. Amplitude will be 1. Why? Because this is u of t, that is why amplitude is 1. Next, I will change this x of t to x of tau. This is with respect to t. Now I am going to change with respect to tau. Why? Because my equation in terms of x of tau. Just I am going to change, replace t by tau. T by tau. This is your x of tau. Okay, the same signal which we have x of t, the same signal will be your x of tau. The same signal will be starts at This is in terms of tau. This is in terms of tau. Say the same signal u of t plus 1 only. T plus 1 only. Next, here we found x of tau. By make use of x of t, we already got x of tau. Now I want h of t minus tau I need to find. I have h of t. By make use of h of t, I need to find h of t minus tau. Okay, now sketch the signal for h of t. H of t. I will sketch in the right side. Left side we have x of tau. Right side I will sketch the h of t. First I will take h of tau or h of t. First I will sketch h of t, that is equal to u of t plus 2, means the signal starts at minus 2, amplitude will be 1. Why? Because this amplitude is 1 only, u of t plus 2. Sorry for the disturbance, some of your friends are still joining. I don't know what they are doing after 20 minutes. Okay, then now I want the signal in terms of h of tau. H of tau. So I will just replace t by tau. Just replace t by tau in the h of t equation. This is in terms of tau. This is in terms of t. This is your h of tau. Same signal starts at minus 2, ends at infinity. Amplitude will be 1. Manish D. Okay, now we have h of tau. I want h of t minus tau. T minus tau. Here t will be plus, tau will be minus. T will be plus, tau will be minus. I want to add plus t here. Plus t here means if I will take this is in terms of tau. This is the signal. I need to change h of tau already I have. I want plus t. I will make plus t here so that our signal will be starts at minus 2, ends at infinity. If I'll add plus t here, this becomes minus t. This becomes minus t. If it is minus t, this becomes plus t. This is a shifting property. If the time is negative, the axis will be positive. If the axis is negative, time axis will be positive. That is the difference with the shifting property. Now I got tau plus t. Tau plus t. I want t minus tau. Already I have plus t. I need to make this as a minus tau. Minus tau, so that I'm going to reflect the signal. I'm going to reflect the signal. If I'm going to reflect the signal, my signal h of t tau plus t will be replaced with respect to t minus tau or else minus tau plus t. I want in this form so that I can write h of t minus tau, or else you can write minus tau plus t also, because in the formula we have h of t minus tau. That is why I will write like this. If I will going to reflect this signal will be starts at positive. The signal will be starts at positive. Then here we have a minus 2 plus t, both becomes plus 2 plus t. 2 plus t, it will be going to change. Amplitude will be same, it will not be changed. Now we got h of t minus tau. This is my h of t minus tau. And here we have a x of tau, and here I got x of tau. Now I will write this is the signal 1 and this is the signal 2. I need to multiply this and this. 1 and 2 I need to multiply. Okay, now we will go for the convolution. Okay, now consider case 1. Case 1. Case 1. This is my case 1. I will take one time axis. First I will take h of t minus tau signal. That is second signal. Amplitude is same. The time axis will be 2 plus t. Then I will take x of t. I will take in the different colors so that it will be avoid your confusion. This will be amplitude 1. The signal will be starts at -1. Okay, this is my h of t minus tau. Wait, someone is waiting in the lobby. Okay, this is my two different signals. Now I need to check condition. I need to check the condition. I will take here when 2 plus t is less than -1. If I'm going to send this to right side, you will get t will be less than -1 -2, so that t will less than or equal to -3. So that up to -3, from minus infinity to the t will be lies between from minus infinity to -3, it will be 0. It will be 0. Y of t will be 0. Why? Because the signal will not be overlap. The signal will not be overlap. If it is not overlap, the output will be 0. If it is overlap, then we need to find the output. Okay, so that this is the case 1. Now, case 2 I can take up to near to this I can take and make it as 0. No issues. We can case 2 directly will overlap the signal. I will take case 2 here. Case 2. This is my case 2, and this is the time axis. This is the time axis. Okay, my h of t minus tau will be same, but I will move this x of t to inside this. Inside this means you will get the signal like this. The signal will be like this. Amplitude will be 1. Amplitude will be 1. This will be -1. Now I want to check the condition. When 2 plus t will be greater than -1. 2 plus t will be greater than -1 means this will be overlap to the x of tau, so that I can take the condition 2 plus t will be greater than -1 means the signal h of t minus tau will be overlaps to the x of tau. Okay, so that we can write t greater than -1 -3, so that t will be greater than -3. It means that the signal will be lies between greater than -3 means it will be less than or equal to t, less than or equal to infinity, means it will be overlapping. This is a overlapping condition. Here both the signals are overlapped. Now for this we need to find the y of t. For this given signal we need to find the y of t. Now I can take y of t is equal to integral from, this is the limits from where to where it will be overlap, from -1 to 2 plus t it will be overlapping. -1 to 2 plus t it will be overlapping. What is the amplitude of both the signals? Both the signals will be 1 and 1 with respect to d tau. Okay. Now I will take 1 into tau, 1 into tau with respect to -1 to 2 plus t. Now we'll get upper limit 2 plus t, lower limit minus of minus 1, minus of minus 1. You will get 2 plus t plus 1, that is equal to t plus 3. This is my final y of t equation. Okay, y of t will be t plus 3 at the limits from -3 to infinity. -3 to infinity. Now I need to sketch my y of t with respect to t. This is my y of t. This is my y of t. The signal up to -3, it will be 0. After -3, we'll have -2, -1, 0, 1, 1, 2, so on. From -3 to infinity, we have an information t plus 3. Now substitute t is equal to -3. -3 plus 3, that will be 0. Then t is equal to -2 plus 3. You will get plus 1. Then t is equal to -1 plus 3. You will get 2. 0 plus 3. Then 1 plus 3. 1, 2 plus 3. Like that it will be so on increasing up to infinity. This is your final y of t. Got everyone? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Please make a note of this. We'll move to next problem. Try this problem. So far we discussed about infinite sequence. Now we are going to discuss finite sequence. Finite means the particular time axis we have. This is from time axis 2 to 4. This is from 1 to 3. Try this problem. This is h of t. See, I will try to solve. With me, you also try to solve. Okay, I will write the first x of tau. X of tau will be 2 to 4, amplitude 1 volts. I will try for h of tau. This is with respect to tau. H of tau, they had given amplitude 1 from 1 to 3. This is 2 to 4. Now I want h of t plus tau or tau plus t. H of t plus tau. Tau plus t for the same signal. Here we have 1, here we have 3. I had taken plus t to y-axis. At x-axis it will becomes minus t. Minus 3 minus t. Next I want h of minus tau plus t, or else t minus tau. Just reflection of this means it will be going to reflect like this. The negative side, the time axis 1 minus t becomes minus 1 plus t. Minus 1 plus t. This becomes minus 3 plus t. Now this is my second signal and this is my first signal. These two need to multiply. I need to multiply this and this signal. Okay, now I will take case 1. Case 1, be careful when you are going to take the limits. It will be get confusion. Case 1, first I will take the sketch. This is my sketch. I will write both the signals. This is my h of t minus tau, minus 3 plus t, minus 1 plus t, and I will take x of tau 2 to 4, 1 volt. This is also 1 volt. When this 1 minus 1 plus t will be less than 2. Am I right? This is the first signal, this is the second signal. Compare minus 1 plus t will be less than 2. So that minus 1 plus t will be less than 2. So that t will be less than 2 plus 1. This 1 will be taking right side. T will be less than 3. Means up to minus infinity to 3, it will be 0. Y of t will be 0. Why? Because no overlap between the signal. No overlap between the signal. Now I will take case 2. Case 2. First I will consider the signal. This is my signal. This is my signal. Now initially these two are not overlap. Now for some time interval it will be going to overlap. This will be 1 volt and this is minus 3 plus t and this is minus 1 plus t. Next I will take one more signal. Just I am going to overlap for some period. This is the overlapping portion, varies from 2 to 4. 2 to 4. Now I will take the condition. I will take the condition for the second case. When 2 will be less than minus 1 plus t. 2 will be less than or equal to minus 1 plus t. I'm going to take the reference as a 2. I have here also minus 1 plus t will be less than 2. Now 2 will be less than this. 2 will be less than this. So that you will get, what you will get? 3 less than or equal to t you are going to get for this condition. And also one more condition we have, minus 3 plus t will be less than 2. Minus 3 plus t will be less than or equal to 2. So that t less than or equal to 2 plus 3. So that t will be less than or equal to 5. It means that the signal, this particular signal with respect to here we got two conditions. That signal particularly varies from 3 to 5. 3 to 5. T is vary from 3 to 5. 3 to 5. Everyone got? The first
Yes,
condition,
sir.
based on that condition, it will be
Can you
starts at
explain this
3.
again, sir?
Sorry.
Can you explain this again, sir?
Okay, see this I will consider 2. Okay, this I am going to move. This is my h of t minus tau, first signal, and second signal will be x of t minus tau. I'm going to overlap. I'm trying to overlap. Before it is not overlap, the output will be 0. Now I have made it to overlap for certain time interval. I have made overlap with respect to two signals. This is my reference signal. I will take this as a reference time interval. 2 will be reference. I am going to check for this with respect to greater than, with respect to lesser than. First I will take 2 is my reference. So 2 is less than minus 1 plus t. 2 is less than or equal to minus 1 plus t. Minus 1 plus t. If I'll send this minus 1 to left side, it will make 3. 2 plus 1, it will be 3. So that 3 will be less than or equal to t. That is the condition. Now, one more condition I am going to consider, that minus 3 plus t will be less than or equal to 2. Initially, 2 will be less than this. Now, minus 3 plus t will be less than 2. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Now, if I am going to send this 3 to right side, why I am going to send this t to right side? I need to find the time interval of this particular time, so that t will be less than or equal to 5. It means that for the first reference we got 3, time slot 3. For the second reference, time slot 5 I got, so that the time will be vary from 3 to 5 at particular overlap period. For this I need to integrate. That y of tau is equal to integral from, what is the overlap portion? 2 to minus 1 plus t. it will be 2 to minus 1 plus t. Both the amplitudes will be 1. 1 into 1 into d tau. 1 into 1 into d tau. That is equal to tau at 2 to minus 1 plus t. Now upper limit minus lower limit. You will get minus 1 plus t minus 2 you are going to get, so that you will get t minus 3 you are going to get. Y of t will be y of t, sorry, not tau. Y of t is equal to t minus 3 when t will be lies between 3 to 5. 3 to 5. Got everyone?
Yes,
Any
sir.
doubts? Now I'm going for case 3. Now I will take case 3.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So can't we take the other limit, sir? That is minus 3 plus t less than 2.
You can take. You can check that also.
We'll get the same answer, sir.
Yeah, you will get. But what I will do, that will make confusions, more confusions. Now I will take 2 is my reference. I'm going to check for both right side as well as left side. It will be convenient. That is why I have following this method. If you want, you can take that also, you can check. But it will be a bit confusions.
Okay, sir.
You try it once. If it is not possible, I will tell. Now we'll go for case 3. Case 3. Okay, I will write this signal first. Case 3. Now what I will do, before it will be entered means the time slot 2 will be entered in between these two time slots. Now what I will do, I will move some more time slot, means I will move little bit. This x of t will be moving towards left side. Like this. Like this, I will move from 2 to 4. Now, which is the overlapping portion? This is my overlapping portion. Okay, this is also 1 volts amplitude. Now, I will take 4 is my reference. Why? Because I'm going to move towards left and right with respect to x of tau. So, this 4 is in between these two. This 4 is in between these two. That is why now I will take 4 as my reference. When minus 3 plus t will be less than or equal to 4, where t will be less than or equal to 7. If I am going to send this to right side, it will be plus 7, so that then minus 1 plus t will be greater than or equal to 4. Okay, first I am going to take this is my reference. Now I am going to take 4 as my reference. This will be less than this and this will be greater than this. So that what you will get, t will be greater than or equal to 5 you are going to get. The meaning is this signal is vary from 5 to 7. Therefore, t will be lies between 5 to 7. Now I will take y of t is equal to integral limits from minus 3 plus t to 4. 3 to 4. 1 into 1 into d tau. Okay, that is equal to tau at minus 3 plus t to 4. Apply limits, upper limit minus lower limit. You will get 4 plus 3 minus t. You will get y of t will be 7 minus t when 5 less than t less than 7. Now again you move this red means x of t towards right side, it will be going outside. After 7 it will be 0. After 7 it will be 0. That is my fourth case. I will write until the signal will be initially it will not be overlap, then it will be overlap at certain moment, and again it will be moving towards left or right. Okay, then again it needs to be go outside, then no overlap. Initially how you are going to take no overlap, finally you have to take that condition also. That is this is my time axis and this is my h of t minus tau and minus 3 plus t and minus 1 plus t. This is amplitude 1 and the signal it will be moving towards left side 2 and 4. Now there is no overlap, so that the output will be 0. This is also 1 volt. It will be 4 will be, now this already went outside, so that I will going to consider this as a 4 less than or equal to minus 3 plus t, so that you will get 7 less than or equal to t, or t will be lies between 7 to infinity. Now we need to y of t will be 0. Finally, we need to sketch y of t. Y of t actually up to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. After 7 it will be 0. Now I am going to sketch the signal for y of t. Take first case. First case up to 3 it will be 0. Up to 3 it will be 0. Up to 3 it will be 0. From 3 to 5. 3 to 5. What is the equation? T minus 5. T minus 3. T minus 3. T minus 3. If I'm going to substitute when t is equal to 3, you will get 0. If t is equal to 4 minus 3, it will be 1. Then 5 minus 3, it will be 2. Up to 5. Up to 5. Then after 5, 7 minus t. 7 minus t. Here I will write 7 minus t. Put t is equal to 5. You will get 7 minus 2, same. 7 minus 5, same. You will get 7 minus 6, you will get 1. 7 minus 7, you will get 0. After 7 it will be 0. Your signal will be like this. This is t. Any doubts? Any doubts? Any doubts?
So previous sum we did not take so many cases, no sir.
Why? Because previous problem. What is the problem we have? See, last problem is u of t plus 1, u of t plus 2. The signal is starts at minus 1, x of tau, ends at infinity. Then h of tau will be final h of t minus tau will be 2 plus t. Okay, initially it will not be overlap. For one time slot it will be overlap. Then if you'll move for the third case it will be going outside. But here it is not a infinite sequence. It's a finite sequence. Both are having a finite sequence. X of tau is also from 2 to 4 and h of t is also from 1 to 3. times it will be overlap. Okay, from first initially it will be not overlap. Then for case 2 it will be once it will be overlap. Then 2 is my reference. Then I am going to consider the condition for 2 greater than or lesser than. Then again, once again, if I am going to move, I cannot move towards outside. Why? Because one more time slot we have in x of tau, that is 4 time slot 4. Again, I need to overlap that 4 also once. That is why it will take 4 case.
Yes,
What the
sir.
idea?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I will give one homework problem that is similar to this problem, but amplitude will be different. One will be 2 volts and another one will be 1 volt. Try that problem. Ninth problem. One volt and 2 volts. H of t will be from 1 to 4 at amplitude 1 volt. X of t will be from 1 to 3. Here also you will get 5 different cases. Five different cases. Why? Because the length of h of t will be 1 to 4. In between we have 2, 3. You try that problem. We'll take attendance.
So in the previous problem, can you explain 7 minus 3 again, sir, in the signal? Final signal, sir.
This is 7 minus t. Which one? This one? Case 3.
No, sir, below one. Final sketch, sir.
This is.
Yes, sir.
See, you write it somewhere else. We'll rub this.
We have to keep decreasing the t value for this case, sir.
Wait, I will tell you. See, consider case 1. Up to 3 it is 0. No worries. Case 2, what is the equation we got for case 2? T minus 3 up to 3 to 5. T minus 3. T minus 3. This is y of t is equal to t minus 3 from 3 to 5. Then after that 5 to 7. What is the equation? 7 minus t. Here y of t is equal to 7 minus t from 5 to 7. Now what you will do? Substitute t is equal to 3 initially. Y of 3 is equal to t is equal to 3. 3 minus 3 0. Y of 4 is equal to 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Y of 5 is equal to 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Substitute the values. At y of 3, at 3 it is 0. At 4 it is 1. At 5 it is amplitude 2. Okay. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Then y of t up to 5. Again, this signal is also starts at 5, ends at 7. Okay, the equation is 7 minus t. Now substitute y of 5, y of 6, y of 7. What you will get? 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Then 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. After this 7, it will be 0 only. Why? Because overlap is over. That is why. At 5, again we got 2 amplitude. Same we got. At 6, we got amplitude 1. At 7, we got amplitude 0. Now, what you will do from 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7. You will get like this. Now got?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, answer written as Manish. Manish Kumar.
Present, sir.